What's up? We back, baby. We back again. So this time I'm gonna do a Jamaican green seasoning marinade to go with these chicken tenders that I'm about to make. I never did this before. Seen some ideas on YouTube, and I was just like, damn, maybe I'll try it out. But yeah, so let's get right into the video. See how it go. See how it turn out, man. All right, so for our Jamaican green seasoning, we got some, or marinade I should say, we got some thyme, we got some ginger, we got some garlic, some olive oil, a nice big old fat white onion, got some pimento seeds, star of the show of course, Scotch Bonnet. This bad boy is optional, but just to make it more green, we got some cilantro. So that's our marinade. We're gonna see how it go. Alright, so I'm just gonna rough chop everything, kinda, and then after I rough chop everything up, I'm just gonna throw it all up into my food processor. So for these, you can just put everything in there, all of that cilantro stems and all. It's just more flavor. That's it. See how Thyme got these big giant like little stems here at the bottom here. If you get one of those bad boys, you just don't want that. You just get everything else. So I just kind of like take them apart from the big stem. And as I'm doing this, actually I just wanted to say, like, I never even knew about Jamaican green seasoning as a marinade or anything like that. I had no idea about it. Seen it on YouTube. Forgot what recipe I was looking up. I think I was looking up some oxtail recipes, and I seen it, and I was just like, damn, family ain't never used this before. So, or at least I ain't never seen them use it ever. So crazy. Don't call me no fake Jamaican or anything like that. But we're gonna use it today. I love the smell of it already because you get a lot of thyme in there. I love garlic and Scotch Bonnet. Love me a good Scotch Bonnet. We got our thyme. Just gonna rough chop them up a little bit so it's easier to blend. I need to put a rag under this so, as you can see, the thing doesn't move. But yeah, so the chopping board doesn't move. But just rough chop it up a little bit. Probably need to sharpen my knife as well. See, nice rough chop. And one thing I forgot about, was the green onions. I'm gonna get that, or the scallion. Sorry, you couldn't see that. That's very important. Aromatics, baby, and make it taste good too. Then just rough chop. Well, this. Top and bottom off, and I like to fill off the first layer. Alright, cool. So then just half that bad boy, turn down like like 3s or 4s. I mean, sorry. I'll probably just blend up this for now. Get our olive oil poured in there a little bit. Oh shit! Gotta take off the cap. Good. Alright. Bam, 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 bam. Just a little 2, 3. So after blending, look at that. That's fucking pretty. Oh, sorry for my language, but yeah, that's pretty. That's very pretty. Just wanted to show you how it is. We haven't even added in the garlic, the ginger, the Scotch Bonnet yet. Sorry, but yeah, we haven't even added in all of that yet. And the pimento. I want to get some thin slices, make it nice and easier to blend up. Slice stuff like that a little bit. My eyes are burning from the onion right now. Shit. Cut off the top. Because that's where the seeds are, that's where the heat is, Still got a little bit of seeds in there, but I'll end up just halving it again. Well, that's the first half, and then take out the seeds. Then just chop it up any way you like. happens, it's all gonna get blended in the processor. Anyways. So right in there. Then I'm gonna get my garlic that we roughed up, chopped. And well, actually, I didn't even chop up the garlic. I lied. Ginger. Put the ginger in there now. Pimento. Throw some of those in there. Pimento is strong as fuck too, so try not to put too much. Oh, there we go. Cool. And voila, that is our green, Jamaican green seasoning right there, our little marinade. That looks beautiful. Then you get that nice and focused. That's beautiful. Then you can always save this for later. Get you a nice little jar. Put your green seasoning in your jar. Save it up for later, you feel me? Good stuff right here, baby. Good stuff.